So I'm back at it with my 2017 Indian Roadmaster. I've had Rinehart slip-ons on the bike for the last year or so, and I've come to the conclusion that they're just a little too loud for the type of riding that we do. So based on some feedback that I received from members on the Indian forum, I heard that the Vance and Hines turndowns are actually quite a bit quieter while still offering a decent level of performance. So I'm going to swap my Rineharts out for the Vance and Hines and see if they truly are that much quieter. But what I'll do before I pull the Rineharts off is we'll do a sound check, and then after I get the Vance and Hines on, we'll do a sound check again and compare the two and see which one is definitely quieter.